डिस्काउंट बरं ती तू युट्यूबर घालता guys, check this out. Steak is still there. There's some pockets, burgers. Guys, Bibika's in the house. Sanas, Bolinas. So guys, we have entered the market. So where my boss is taking me, I'm following my boss. I got to get friend, mago. KFC chicken in the house. Shaunak in the house. So guys, we're done. We were sitting in this shack over here. So hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's a new day. It's a new vlog. So today is 3rd March 2025. So it's right now 10 in the morning. So I'm leaving for Margao for work. Today is a big day because it's my grandmom's birthday and it's the Feast of the Cross. I'll tell you that details once I reach Margao. See you guys. What? What is what? Good morning from Poppy. He's sleeping. Hi, Derek. You sleep, Poppy. So guys, I'll see you directly in Margao and I'll catch you guys up. I'll start this bike. Let's go. So hi guys, we're in Margao right now. So this is Loya Maidan. So we're going for shopping right now because today I told you it's my our birthday. So we have, I'll explain that later. So right now we'll do the shopping. Oh, I can't tere Baba. So we are going to buy some stuff for evening. So we are going shopping right now because there's a meeting in the evening. So because of that, we have to buy some patties and all that thing. So yes, we are going. My mom is in front. She'll do the shopping and I will assist her. So yes, let's go. So we are going there. So guys, we are here. Snow. This is Margao, just below Grace Church. Some cakes. Come to place some order here. So after placing order, that anyways you're going to see in the video. So yeah. So guys, check this out. The steak is still there. There's some pockets, burgers, pops, sausage, cheese rolls, and pizza. Any of you guys are hungry, come here. This way. So guys, our beast is back there. Yeah, this is our beast. This is our beast. You rest, baby. Huh? See you later. So yes, shopping part is done there. We placed the order, so he called us in the evening at 5. So we'll be collecting it at 5 in the evening. He's gone, man, already. So guys, we're in the market right now. I'm taking all this. So guys, plan is changed. We're in the market. We have to buy some flowers for the cross. So that's the reason we are in the market right now. Oh my god, it's crowded as well. My supervisor is front, walking very fast. Anyways, my job is just to follow, take videos for you guys. That's what I'm going to do for you. Guys, check the Margam market. Are you come to buy flowers? I go to get friend मगो. That's mom's friend. She comes specially to give her. Here also there are. There also there is. Here also there is a lot. I like this flower also. For the cross. So I don't know, let's see what mom says. See this mango guys, check the size. Mankara देते हैं. Mango season, so guys come and take mangoes. So we are out of the market, we are going to the other part, Gandhi market side. His mom is taking me to the Gandhi market, I think. This is the Gandhi market, guys. Oh, yeah. You guys have seen this Gandhi market, you might be saying like, yo, why are you mad? Gandhi market, that's it. It's in the Marketali area, but you guys must be saying, are you mad to show us this? We have already seen this VB over here. I mean, I know you guys come for shopping here. So anyways, I'm just showing you guys. See, mom is come for her plant shopping. There's some chico also there. This is all plant area. Here are all these plants and all. I used to come with mama before when she used to shop for plants. So lately I haven't come, so it's been very long I'm coming with her for shopping, plant shopping especially. Or else I used to come with her. So it's busy at work, so you don't get a chance to come out also. So yeah, yes, she's doing her shopping. She doesn't want to come in the camera though, so I'm just showing it from far. What is the Mankurad? Mankurad? Mankurad?
Bottle mango. Bottle mango.
So guys, I think. Bhai, ये कितने? Shanwara. So guys, you have to take this and go in the temple. There also there are a lot of people over there, so I'll be going there also. They're selling some vinegar, I think. Yeah, there's one small temple there. So guys, the temple here. I'll show you from close. People come to pray here also. So I'm coming in the shade right now because it's very hot day. So mom is doing her duty over there. She's over there. So I'm coming in the shade because I feel so hot. Yes, not complaining guys, just telling you guys. So guys, टेस्ट कर पाते हैं दोन तीन वडे तो आमला शॉपिंग है आमला
दोन वाटे ते पिढ्या जाते मागी 2 दिवसांनी.
So guys, today you're going to see all market shopping. Normally you never see in my vlogs market shopping. So yes.
अशी
जोड मागची अंग बाई
आणि मागी किती करपाचे
माई बुढ्या घालप नी मीठ घालप नॉनची कोण आता
मीठ मागी घालपाचे
ना उकडा
My mom is asking details how to prepare it.
खापा पडते
छोड उकडप नाही माशी
Ukudap, na ukudap, makai, hoganate. That she's going to do it. I just was assisting her today. And it's very hot over here in Margam. But which one? This one, the press one. So guys, flower shopping is done.
आता केस गो दी काय एक दो
सगळ्यांक गिरायक घालीत वयती
इदो को काय
बरं आता का देव रागार जातो मागीर
अरे देव ना करता आम्ही रागार जाता
घाल म्हणता आम्ही घातले
हो घालपा न्हू तें हो हो घालपा तें हय
तुझी देडशी न्हू 200 झाली 200 झालं न्हू ते तुमका काय वाट कराय मग 50 लाख दिला
चलो
सगळ्या
थँक यू
याचं इथे घ्या
So guys, we have entered the market and I'm dripping off sweat. We bought this 2 garlands and now we are here somewhere, I don't know, in the middle of the market. So where my boss is taking me, I'm following my boss. Yeah, my boss. Guys, Bibika's in the house, Sana's, Bolina's, and Sana and the Dost. She won't come in the market, guys. This is all eatable area. There is more. You can come in the market and buy some. Mom is doing here some shopping. And I'm just strolling around. So guys, another shopping here.
हय आमकां कशें दिता रे कापसूं
Some candles, some tissues. He's going to give us a bag. This is for the Litany shopping. So this is what she's bought. And I'm sweating like crazy. It's packing. Discount बरो ती तो यूट्यूबर घालता. Simply guys. Guys, we come have pineapple juice. Oh, ice cream na खाओ. Pineapple. Every day is ritual to come here and have pineapple. That's how you remove the juice, guys.
गरम लिंबू सोडा घ्या कोणा
I just
मोसंबी काढून दे 2 मोसंबी नो
beat the heat.
एक लिंबू सोडा दे हां
Shopping is done, so I'm coming to the cross. Evening we are going to have the litany over here. So painting work is done. It is done in the previous video which I showed you. So yeah, lights are also put. We told every year that guy comes to put light. And yeah, for me. So evening we'll check it out. So guys, these flowers which I bought, let's put it here. So one I put, guys. So the second one, you can't put it in one hand actually. So done, guys. Pray. Anyone wants to pray for their wishes and all. Yes, both the flowers I put here. So let's go right now. Evening is a litany, so we'll be coming here for the prayers. So guys, it's 1:30 right now. So I went after shopping. We went for work. After work, now it's lunchtime 1:30. So I'm going home. So I'll tell you once I reach home. I'll explain you everything in detail what it was about. The cross. The cross is over there. It's painted. Everything is done. I put flowers also. I showed you. So yes. So after reaching home, I'll explain you everything in detail. So yes, let's go home. I'm on the bike right now. So guys, I'm finally home. So what I was telling you in the morning, right? I'll tell you later. So basically, today is 3rd May and it's my Ava's birthday. Ava means grandmom, my dad's mom. So it's her birthday. So every year we used to celebrate her birthday. And there was this cross. We also have this litany in the evening. So these two things used to come together. My grandmom's birthday and the litany. So every year when my grandmom used to be there, we used to have this litany in the evening at 7:38, prayers and all. Then after that we used to distribute snacks and all. So now she's not there in this world. So we are following her tradition of that. On her birthday day we have litany and we give snacks to people around over there. A lot of people come and pray also there. So that was the thing. So that was the reason that day you could see one fellow over there to paint over there, because every year we paint a cross over there because it gets dull over there, dark and all. People light candles and all over there, no. So we had to paint. So I had told that guy to paint. So he painted it and we put those lights and then garland. Today morning itself I bought and I put. So yes, lights we put for 4-5 days. It's there. And then after in the evening we have this litany. So yes, today the litany is there at 8 o'clock today. Last year it was at 7. So this year we kept late only because people come also to join the litany. So yes, after this I'll be going for work, and from work directly there and there only I will show you everything. And at 5 I have to pick up the order which morning we had gone to give snows, right? Either I might pick or my brother might pick. Let's see. Whatever it is, I will tell you guys in the video. So guys, I'm at work right now. It's around 6 o'clock. So 8 o'clock is the Ladin. So I've changed my clothes. So I wore this shirt from the t-shirt what I was wearing in the morning. So now I have to go and put candles over there near the cross. So yes, I'll put the candles. So you can see this later. I'm just telling you briefly. So yeah, see you. So guys, candles are here. I'm going to put it over here now. The decoration is done here. Guys, it's already started. So I'm here to the back. So trays are here, guys. Soft drinks are here. And these are other items which are bought. So everything is here. So yes, later I'll show you that also. So guys, from Margam I'm back home now. So I could not show anything over there in Margam. I was very busy like serving and helping people like over there. Even that we had gone for the prayers over there. That also I could not record because it's prayer session, no? So could not show you guys also. Yes, so now we are coming back. If this video gets little longer, no, I will make a second part and I'll put it on the other video. So basically right now we are home and it's my grandmom's birthday, plus my brother's birthday was there on Monday. So mom and dad were not there in Goa, so we didn't celebrate. So we are planned that grandmom's and my brother's birthday we are celebrating today together. So we are going out for dinner. So you guys are also going to come with me for dinner. Yes. And where we are going I will show you guys. So directly I will take you over there. I will not show you that on the way and all because everyone will be there in the car. So yes, some people are not comfortable to come in the video. So yes, I'll show you directly there. And see this one. Say hello. What is showing that? What is showing? What is showing? Chal guys, you. So guys, this is the Baital Batim we are in right now. This shit. Where is road? I don't know where this road is going, but let's see. So guys, it's over there. We have to go now. From here, there's a pond also over here. Riverside, the bridge from where we came. Guys, we are here almost. I think I came from the back side, huh? So yeah, here is a restaurant. So guys, we're inside a restaurant right now. We placed an order. So once the order comes, we'll show you guys. So guys, whiskey is here. Soda. Guys, one drink is come, one drink is left. So guys, first time is here, guys. So batter panko. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? What do you call it? Calamari? Pango fry. So guys, this is calamari pango fry. 1 minute. Soda. So guys, it's good, not bad. So guys, the peri peri fries are here. So guys, fish fingers are here as well. Squids, peri peri fries, and a peri peri fries are one there. Dad is having. Here it is. So we're going to have it and I'm going to review and tell you. Already had it. Chicken is also here. So guys, you can check out our plates over here. Everything's over. We ordered another 2 items, so it's gonna come. Food was okay, not bad. You know, music is going on, so I'll get copyright strikes. Crispy chicken in the house, guys. What's your name? Shonak in the house. Yes. Guys, Shonak in the house. The Patra is eating. Guys, so we're going to try it and check it out and tell you how it looks. Actually tasting. This is the crispy chicken. So guys, we're done. We were sitting in this shack over here. Mazika. There's a lot of people around also. Because of that copyright strike, I did not take much video. So yes. Our players are all here. This player is shaking like. I'm just kidding, guys. So I might get a copyright strike. That's why I didn't take much video inside. So we are now outside. Walk towards the beach someday. Huh? They'll put no. That's why the dogs are sitting here. Guys, check out my shoes. Oh my god, my good, my love. My shoes are all gone, guys. The breeze on the beach is so nice, like literally nice. See the moon over there. Moon also is bright. I think this camera doesn't take good night mode. People are all there. I'm only at the back because of my shoes. At night, this camera doesn't focus well, huh? But anyways, this camera is good. Food was good, everything was good. Okay, straight. And yes, now we are going back home. So yes, it's end of a good Saturday night. I'll go home now. I have to prepare something for tomorrow because tomorrow also there's a surprise. So stay tuned for that also. So guys, this is the bridge where I showed you that time when we were entering. So yeah, some people there, I think fishing. Yeah, fishing. This is at Nano Resort. And me, finally we reached at the exit point. So we are going now. Directly I sit in the car and I'm not going to vlog anymore. Directly home. That's the best thing. Yes, see you guys. These people are tired walking. After dinner, we came from the other road, little longer side. From the beach, we took some breeze over there. And then we came inside. Whatever they ate, got digested as well. It's a nice villas, right? Security guard is there. How is this? Okay, guys, we're in the car already. So back in the car. Let's go home.
Why you went in first in me?
These people will never stop fighting. So guys, we're finally home over here, and yes, we're back home. Meet my family members. Hey, Urban. Idiot fellow. He's going to eat bones there. This is our grandfather. Hello, Popeye. He's the godfather of all this whole lane. So guys, see you. Going back in. Should listen to my mom, yeah.